To remove connected apps from Gmail is pretty simple. We first have to navigate to the top right corner of our profile picture and tap on it. Then with this selected, allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. Then continue to tap on manage your Google account. And this will pull out a list of options here. Proceed to scroll down until you locate data and privacy. And then with this selected, proceed to scroll down. Under data and privacy, make sure to scroll down until you locate third-party apps and services and tap on it. And you could see that my connected apps is currently almost 32. So in order for me to view it, I can proceed to tap on it and then allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. So depending on your network, it's going to delay a little. So the total apps is almost 37. And when you scroll down, you could see tons of them here. And if you want to remove any, you can then proceed to tap on it. And this will direct you to an interface like this. So you can proceed to tap on delete all connection you have with ALX admission. And then proceed to tap on confirm. That's it. You have successfully removed connected apps from Gmail. And you can do it to each and every app that you have connected to your Gmail account. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.